Hi, my name is Ken Seeley. I'm a certified case manager interventionist, a certified intervention professional, and a certified trauma professional. I've also been featured on the hit show Intervention on A&E. One of the biggest things that I've accomplished is being a CCMI trainer. We're here to talk about the CCMI training, and I'm here with the co-founder of Intervention 911 and my partner in crime, Eric.
Thanks, Ken. My name is Eric. I'm a social worker, also a certified case manager interventionist, as well as a certified intervention professional. And we're really excited to give you a little more detail on what our trainings are all about. And Ken's going to talk a little bit about kind of where does the concept come from and why it's so important.
Trainings are so important because we've seen what works out there for so many years. The doctor diversion programs, the pilots program, the pharmacists, the nurses, all of these programs have been so successful for over 35 years, and yet the general public doesn't get that. The CCMI training will help you understand what the differences are and get you tapped in so you could be the one that's educating the public on long-term recovery. So Eric, you want to talk about who's will success and who would be the right person to come to our training?
If you're a mental health, addiction, or healthcare professional, a coach, a first responder, and even you students, the online certified case management interventionist training is for you. We have developed a training that is 5 mods. You do not need to do the mods in order. They're all online. Each mod is 3 days. We typically do them on a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for the full day. And the key here is that this is an opportunity for you to further help the struggling individual and family units from the initiation of an intervention all the way through long-term care management. A CCMI helps to hold the family bottom lines, intervenes when needed, and works with the entire family system so that the family unit is always working towards long-term recovery. Ken's going to talk a little bit about some of the content that we put into the trainings.
I think the content is one of my favorite parts of these trainings because we really educate how the family could either support addiction or recovery. We talk about the root of the addiction, the trauma that, ignites the addiction, and how to handle that and not making it more traumatic on the individual. The effects for the attachment disorders, substance abuse disorder, the process addiction, if somebody is struggling with drug addiction, sex addiction, love addiction, gambling, workaholism, all of those things, we're educating them on the whole process and giving them the tools necessary to really see it from a bird's eye view. So we're looking at it from above, and we're giving them the tools to get long-term recovery instead of putting a Band-Aid on it. And one of the things that I really love that we do is educate on documentation, because there's a saying, if it's not documented, it didn't happen. So it's really important that the documentation is right, because we want insurance to be able to see the hard work that goes on behind this work as a certified case manager interventionist, so they could also start paying for these services. And they are paying it, but they're paying it peer-to-peer, but we want to do it where they're starting to pay for clinicians to really follow up with these people for long-term care. And the most important is really getting the people like Eric talked about, the frontline workers, fire, police, EMTs, people that are on the front lines to come to this training to really see how to handle each situation. So you want to tell people how to sign up, Eric?
I would love to. Signing up is really easy. We have a website. The address is on your screen now. It's intervention911.com/events. We also are going to post Lauren's contact information. She manages all the information on the meetings, so her phone number and email are below. On our site, there's tons of links about how many CEs you can get if you're a licensed professional. Our trainings are certified for social workers, psychologists, MFTs to get up to 22 CEs per event, including the all-important ethics. And you don't have to be licensed to start. So if you're looking for a way into the field, this is a great way to do it. Check out the website for more information. We hope to see you at our next training.